guys, this is me. I will assignment group. I'm here not alone because this assignment group make a DHCP relay, configuration DHCP relay, and I'm here with Abdullah. Actually we gonna make configuration in two laptop, but my laptop is you know what, and we will do configuration in laptop Abdullah. And this is a topology. This for source internet. This router, go to router 1 or DHCP, or router gonna be DHCP server, and connect to router 2 and this distribution router, and we will make a hotspot in this router. This is a configuration. So this is a configuration for DHCP server. First connect your router to connect your laptop to DHCP server, to router gonna be DHCP server. And go to IP DHCP client. It's gonna be router to connect internet. Wait guys, wait. Good, because Ether 1 is good. Wait, I forgot about English. What the hell? Itu firewall NAT. Is that? I don't know what's okay. Source NAT interface. Go to Ether 1 action. Masquerade. Apply. Okay. So first we go to, after the router get the internet, we go to IP and pool. We make a pool for client. So this pool one, we change the DHCP. This is up to you if you guys wanna change the name. This is range IP pool. And apply. After that, go to the server. You guys gonna add this stage, okay? The name is up to you. Wait. The interface is wait ya guys ya. Wait. Sorry guys, we have trouble. So this is name is up to you if you want to change. Interface, this we're gonna change to Ether 3 because this Ether 3 is connect to router distribution or router 2. And relay is IP local in the router distribution. The other school we're gonna change to what we make before is like DHCP. We now apply. Okay. And next, go to networks. Add the address is IP network from the network. Gateway is 122.68.0.1. Up. Okay. Yeah, we already done configuration in router DHCP server. So we're gonna next do configuration in router DHCP relay or client. So let's go. So guys, here I will continue the configuration for router 2 or distribution router. So let's start with the configuration. So guys, I will continue
the configuration of distribution router, and let's get started. First, you must log into the router by clicking in MAC address, then click connect. First, you must turn on the wireless interface, and this is we will use for our client. Our client will connect to this wireless. Then click 2 times and change mode to AP bridge, and then change to BGN, and for frequency auto, and SSID you can change if you want, and click OK, close. Then you go to the IP and addresses, and here we will add IP for the Ethernet 3. This interface or Ethernet 3 is connected to first router. We must to fill peer IP between this router and first router. Type 10 and 2. For prefix type 24. Then click OK like this. Then you add again. And now for WLAN 1 or for wireless interface, and fill for the local IP like this. Type like this and click OK. Then you go to the DHCP relay for distribute IP from server interface. You change to WLAN 1, and DHCP server you fill the peer-to-peer IP to this, and for local address type for local IP. After finish, you can click OK. Then you make NAT. Type here IP, click here IP, and go to firewall, then go to NAT tab, click add, and change let in source net, and auto interface change to Ethernet 3 or this Ethernet connected to first router, and go to action tab, action change to masquerade, and click OK. So next step, we must to make DNS. Here for the server you can fill Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. Here I use Cloudflare DNS by type 4 times like this, and enable this allow remote request, then click OK. And then you go to route for connecting this router to internet, because if you don't make it, you can connect it to internet. For destination address, don't change it, and for gateway fill the peer-to-peer DNS, peer-to-peer IP like this, then click OK. Then before we continue for the next step, we can try to ping to Google for checking the internet. Like this. If this reply from Google server, this router was connected to internet. Then for the last step, we must make two hotspot. We make hotspot by go to the hotspot tab, and in server we click the hotspot setup, and hotspot interface change to WLAN 1, and click next, and next, and let be known, next again, and for the DNS server fill 111, and for DNS name you can fill what you want. Here you can customize the DNS name. Here I use hotspot.login, and this address for login in hotspot. Then next, and for user for login we can use admin and password. User here fill to 123. Then next. Okay, our configuration here was successful. First, you can connect to access point here, MikroTik, and click connect. The hotspot login page has opened. You can log in by type account, has to make it, and password fill 123. Then click connect. Okay, you was logged in. Now you can see this logo can change to Wi-Fi, or mean this computer was connected to internet. Now we can test for browsing in YouTube. Like this, guys. This computer was connected to internet, and check for IP. Here properties. Guys, this computer get IP from router 1. This IP was filled in pool, in router 1 pool. So the router 1 role is distribute the IP is successful. And last, we can ping to the Google from CMD. Then enter here, and this a reply from Google server. So maybe that's all for simple configuration. And for next test, I will use phone for testing.
This is we next to my phone. This is my phone for the client of what we make a hotspot in router 2. First, we're gonna turn on the Wi-Fi. Log in to MikroTik. This is SSID we made before. Username is admin, and the password is 123. Yeah, you connect. You log in. Yeah, you guys can connect and check the IP address. You guys can see IP address is 099. This is a pool. What if we make before in the router server, the HTTP server. Yeah, this is fill the pool. Yeah. So we're gonna test. This, for example, I wanna open the YouTube. You guys can see. Yeah, and we're gonna try to Instagram. Yeah, okay, so I guess this enough for me and Abdullah. If we have the trouble or what is, if we have a problem, we are sorry for us, because we are still a student. We will study hard next year. So I guess this is enough for me and Abdullah. Wait. Yeah. So this is a source internet. Go to router 1 or the HTTP server router will gonna be the GPU server, and this is router 2 is router distribution, and we make a hotspot in this router. This is connected to by Ether3 in this interface, and this is a laptop we made for recording and recording and configuration these two router. So I guess this enough for me and Abdullah. See you guys, yeah. Bye bye.